camera lights. I always wondered how I look opening the gate. Alright, good morning guys. So, top of the morning. We got a busy shop today. Right here, you got this Lexus IS 250 is getting repaired. We got this Honda Fit is also getting repaired. And we got this Tacoma. So let's go see what Martin's up to. First take crew. Yeah, bro. Sí, así notamos. Hey, what's up guys? So we got some body work going on. We got this, we got Martin doing the roof. He's doing, so this Tacomas, they're notorious for clear coat damage. We actually have 2 this week. We have another one coming at the end of the week. But yeah, typically it's a newer Tacoma, roof and hood. Always have clear coat failures, so we're gonna go ahead and repaint the roof and the hood. We got this other Lexus right here, small ding. So we're gonna be repainting the door and the fender.
This side and the bumper as well.
And the bumper. And then I think Jose's gonna take you guys to the other side of the shop and see what we got over there.
You ain't got nothing over there. Oh yeah, we did. Oh, that's right. All right, so right here we got this, fuck. What is this? This is actually, we can cut this, but this is actually Raul's, oh, it's Infinity. That's right. Well, we have this Infinity that obviously you can see got painted. And we got this Lexus. This is actually one of the free jobs that we're doing this month. You come over here and see the door, completely damaged. So we got a completely new door. And we actually got a new drop off last night. It came last night. ¿Cómo está? ¿Todo bien?
Bien, bien, bien. Machín, sí.
Ya tiene que decir la cámara.
Hi.
¿Vas a sacar eso ahorita?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't even have to hold this anymore.
No, you're good.
Okay, I like it though. All right, guys. So right here's the office. This is pretty much where we make all the sales, where we do the estimates. So if you come in, this is where we'll greet you. Yeah, are they making Tesla Model 3 plans?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Right here we got this drop off that came last night. I want to say like around 8 p.m. And we're pretty much, I believe we're gonna do a front end PPF, but I'm not sure. I gotta talk to Michael about it. Man, this looks sick. This might be a plaid. Oh, he's recording right now. Move it at the key. I'm gonna take it to the side.
Yeah, I don't really know what this is getting, so let's go ask Michael. You should know. What is it? Tesla Model 3 getting?
Yeah, so that one's getting a full front end PPF. I think a 2-year ceramic coating on the whole thing.
That's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it. It's a brand new
Caliper.
Huh?
Caliper's red already?
I'm not sure.
It's flat, you know?
Well, it's like it.
I think so. It's a newer Tesla Model 3.
Yeah. But it has like the plaid logo.
Yeah, I didn't know they make plaids. Yeah, Tesla 3. I think he just picked it up.
Are you gonna throw this thing on the lift right now, or?
I think I am. Nah, you know what? Honestly, for Teslas, you have to have these
There's these things that you put on the Tesla to lift it up, because you can't just pick it up because there's a big battery in the bottom.
Oh, the mounting point adapters.
There we go. So you can't just lift it from the battery. So with this one, you can't lift Teslas. So we're probably not gonna lift this one.
right there. But you have to kind of pull a little bit, and it's hard to pull because this is in the way.
Michael, so you'll get it done. All right, guys. So we pretty much, like I said, we're gonna be doing a full front end on this Tesla Model 3. You can see right here, we got the cutout, we got the 2 fenders, the bumpers, and the headlights. Pretty much, that computer gets connected to this plotter, and it cuts that car out.
¿Qué onda, Martín?
No,
¿Cómo estás?
eso, yo bien ir aquí echándole ganas. Ya preparando esto para meter a pintar.
Ah, de nuevo.
Más importante ya.
Y saludos a Oaxaca.
Y saludos hasta Oaxaca, México.
drop off. There's a Camaro got damage in the quarter panel, so I should be here. What time is it? Should be here in 9 minutes.
Nomás tienen un bracket, pero tienen uno, voy a ir a agarrar un bracket y ya después voy por el otro en la tarde.
Oh, ok, ok.
¿Sí lo traen para acá? No, no. ¿No tienes cuenta con eso, güey?
Con Infinity, pero ya todavía.
Ok.
A veces hay que checar.
Este cabrón.
That is one of his customers' cars. It's one of his customers' cars.
Pero so ese vamos a arreglar quarter panel.
Who ain't even looking at you, bro? You didn't even talk to him.
No, sí, este Camaro vamos a arreglar más el quarter panel. Yeah, the satchel getting fixed too.
Yes, sir. Remote, but
Vamos a. Yeah, Alright, this guy has 30 plus years of experience right here.
Nah, está bien subido de aquí, güey.
Sí, ¿verdad? En la foto no se mira así, ¿verdad?
¿Eh?
En la foto no se mira así.
No. Está bien subido, lleva.
Mira como hay una línea aquí. Oh, sí hay.
Ya. No, la puerta tiene dos T's. Ahorita que así, lo quiere arreglar de una vez el camarada.
Creo que esta.
Ya,
Sí.
one more. Yo le miré dos.
¿Y esta?
Ya, sí, de una vez, porque se va a hacer play, ¿sabes qué?
Sí, sí, porque vamos a pintar también. So.
Ya le puedes bajar su pestilla más para arreglar mi tenis.
Ahí está, pues. Mire.
Ready.
So usually a big hit like this, we cut the whole quarter panel out and put a new quarter panel. But the customer didn't want to do that. So he wants us to put his hit out. This right here, pretty much full. I'll show you real quick. How it does. It heats the metal up, and then you just pull the head. This is more for like little heads. This is actually a big head. So we're not gonna use this machine.
Is that from the Camry?
Yeah, it's crazy just because of this, man. It's trash. Can't
Literally.
even fix that. Fuck it.
How much was the replacement?
Huh?
How much was the replacement?
I think it was 120.
Oh, dang.
So we're removing this from the Camry, and as we were removing it, it bent. So obviously we had to replace it. You know, we couldn't deliver this with the customer like this. So. Yeah. Hey. What's up? All right,
So what's the deal on the Toyota hood?
Toyota hood? What hood?
The Tacoma.
Oh, Tacoma? Oh, it's ready.
Yeah?
It-
It's gonna need a wet sand or what?
A little bit of wet sanding, but it's all good. So right now we're gonna take that one out, let it dry a little for like another hour, and then we're gonna put this one in. This one has to get painted today because it leaves tomorrow.
What is it? What? ¿Sí?
No, no voy a quitar todavía. Nomás los wires.
¿Wires?
A ver cómo se quita más difícil. Oh, sure.
So how are you guys gonna repair the damage?
So we're just gonna get a new door. Can't repair that. I mean, you can. Raúl could probably repair it. ¿Sí puede hacer? ¿Sí, verdad?
Hey.
30 years of experience.
¿Ah?
¿Por cuándo? ¿Más?
30 años de experiencia.
¿Y cómo lo sacarías?
Allá está la máquina, ¿no está la máquina amarilla? Allá está. Oh, allá está. Allá con una máquina allí.
¿Por qué tan amargado?
Simón.
Ábrele la puerta, güey. Ábrele. Agárralo, ya está.
Jose.
Yo, bro, it's fucking hard right now.
Dude, it's hot as hell.
Yeah, we're washing this car right now. Our customer is gonna come here soon to pick it up. My thing's busy, so gotta get in there and wash it.
Time for the owner to do some work, huh?
Yep.
So how come you're washing this one too?
This one's gonna get PPF. Not only that, we're gonna be doing the polish, the one-stage polish, and doing a ceramic coating. So I gotta be clean before we polish it. Let's get it. Oh, you guys are doing real life Legos. Yeah.
Right.
Doors off, windows off. Big boy business.
So the boys are talking about different advertising methods. I think I found the one for them. So you want bull team from Africa?
44? That's cheap, man.
$44.
Everybody gonna get it.
And Michael, I found the team for you, dog.
Oh damn, 70, 40 bucks?
$44.
Damn, they're making money out there, bro.
Get your whole village, man. Do some advertising for
We
you.
can do it.
$44
Sí.
a day.
Bro.
Mande.
¿Y esa colita para qué es? Esa.
Se llama gato muerto.
Gato muerto.
Sí, así se llaman. Así se llaman. Dead cat.
Oh shit, really?
¿Oh, sí?
Sí, así se
Parece la
llaman.
cola de un conejito, bro. Esa madre.
Exactamente. Fucking dead cat.
Let's do it, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Or we can even dance.
Put it in.
Okay.
Yeah, we get the whole team to do it.
¿Es cámara también esa o es pura foto?
No, es cámara de video, de foto, de todo.
Está bacán.
Sí, sí. Hace de todo.
Hey guys, so we have some old footage of a delivery we did recently. The customer requested a wrap and facelift along with some other goodies. He finally stopped by to pick up the car, and here's how it went.
Man, it looks amazing. Honestly, it was gloss black. It was scratched up everywhere. But this wrap honestly hides all the scratches and looks amazing. I like how we went satin black and gloss black on some parts, and then to finish it off, the red calipers, man. It gives it that slight, that hit. Looks amazing. Let's get it. All right, guys, so customers here, go mic them up and deliver the card. What's up, bro?
What's up, baby? How are you?
Good, how you been?
Good, good.
Are you gonna put this on?
Yeah.
Very good.
Woo! You ready?
You ready? I'm ready. You?
Yeah. All right, here we go.
You excited or what?
Yeah. Recorder. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, bro. Clean.
Crazy, huh?
Clean. Oh my God. Wow.
Yeah, bro.
You see this? You see this shit? Bro, that's hard. Let's go, baby. Dang.
Let's get it.
Hey. Hey, brand new car, baby. It's not 2021,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
2024 now.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a brand new car.
Wow. Bro,
Yeah,
you
we-
guys did good. Look at this.
Yeah, we've been painting the whole grill too.
Look at that. Oh, man. Dang, the calipers too.
Yeah, I
That's
give that a
dope.
little touch, you know? A little extra pop.
Yeah, the top too.
Yeah, right
Look at the
there.
top. Heck yeah, you guys shine that shit too.
Yeah. And the door handles.
Oh my god, I didn't catch that.
Yeah, you guys did great. You guys did great. My boy, it was worth the wait.
Yeah,
Thank you,
hey.
thank you.
I'm glad you liked it, bro.
Yeah, but hey, it's worth it, bro. It's worth it. I appreciate you guys, bro. Thank you. You guys were awesome. Thank you so much. Guys, I'm impressed. Enhance Automotive, by far the best I've worked with. Communicative, friendly, and on time, baby. Thank you so much.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you.
It's for the experience, you know?
Yeah.
Everybody, I mean,
Everybody loves this color.
yeah, who wouldn't want to drive a car like that?
That color was the best choice.
Best choice, yeah. My boy. So I do have another client for you guys too. And then down the line, probably like in a good 3 months, I don't know if you guys do like, I want to put like underlights on my Vanderhall so it could glow in the dark and shit. Yeah. So if you guys could do something, and then nice little decal sticker of the IG or whatever, right? Yeah, you guys went off. All right, brothers. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's been way too long. You got the key?
Oh, yeah. He's trying to go.